last night, right before I was about to lay my head down on the pillow, I was gonna plug the phone in, and I get a notification. What do you know? There's a software update. I was like, whoa, software update. I was like, damn, that's right. We're almost into December, and we haven't even gotten the November security patch. It didn't even hit me until last night. I was like, well, damn. And I was gonna hit the button that says, do it later or put off. And I was like, nah, screw it. I'm gonna update right now. So I stayed up a few extra minutes, updated it, and went to sleep. But what is in the November security patch? We have no idea. Now, it sucks that you just get the generic jargon, right, for your Samsung updates. It sucks, right? But it is what it is. Interestingly enough, Verizon's website, if you can't find anything in regards to changelog, what was changed in an update, Verizon their Verizon website, typically they notify users of that device, hey, you have an update and here's the changelog. Well, I went to go look to see if anything was different, and it just says the basic security enhancements and performance improvements. That's it. Now, since updating mine last night, I couldn't tell the difference. Hopefully battery life is a little better. It's not bad, but could always be better, especially when devices like the OnePlus 15 are coming out with basically a guaranteed 2-day battery life. Some people saying 3-day battery life. I can get I got to plug it in at the end of the day, which at this point kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But if you have a Samsung Galaxy device, not just the S25 series, let me put up a screenshot of all the devices that are getting this November security update, and it's out right now. So if you have an S25 series, if you have an S24 series, if you have an S23 series, if you have an S22 series, the update is out right now. So what you're gonna want to do is go to settings, go to your settings app, right? And simply search the magnifying glass, the search icon, and just simply type in update, and then search for that, and then you'll see security update. Push that, and it'll say you have an update. Now, if it tells you don't have an update, there's a couple of little tricks I've done in the past. Now, they don't guarantee you to work, but they have worked for me in the past. Simplest thing is just restart your phone. That's the easiest thing, and then check again. If that doesn't work, disconnect from your Wi-Fi, or if you're on mobile, disconnect from that. Basically, turn it on airplane mode for 30 seconds, turn it off, and then once you're connected to the network again, try again, because what you want to do is disconnect that connection there to their carrier services or to Samsung services, and you want to refresh that connection. Sometimes refreshing that connection, it'll catch on that you have an update, and you can update from there. However, here's one little thing that bugs the hell out of me. My Samsung Galaxy, and I checked on this earlier, the November Google Play system update is out. Now, that's different from a security update. The Google Play system update basically is what handles all the services, background processes in the background. My Galaxy device is on the July 1st Google Play system update. That's the one that you don't get notified about. You have to manually check. I'm still on the July Google Play system update. How insane is that? My Pixel is on the November Google Play system update. My other devices are on the, I think, October. But Samsung is in July? What the hell is going on? That's something I wish they would fix and push out, be up to date on the Google Play system updates in the background. It bugs me, quite honestly, that they're not keeping up to date. Samsung's been good with their security patches, but the Google Play system update, not good.